A lot has happened in the days since our last Shiba Inu post that need to be talked about and potential misinformation that needs clarification. I've been reading some articles about Shiba Inu coin. One of the points that a lot of people are making is that despite how popular Shiba Inu coin may be, it is close to no use in the market, which is why there's been heightened volatility recently. You know, personally, I disagree with this. I don't think that a cryptocurrency needs to be a currency. For example, Shiba Inu coin isn't just used as a means of exchange, it's also an investment forum which enables the community to collectively develop shared projects and profits. This is just one way in which people are using cryptocurrencies, and I wanted to discuss this for a minute. Because it's one thing to point to things just to come up with an answer as to why Shiba Inu coin is falling, because when it comes down to it, Shiba Inu coin is falling in price because demand is falling off a little bit right now. We did have a smaller down day today. We saw obviously flash crash, whatever you want to call it, in the last day or so. And that got people quite worried, and fair enough, of course, especially if you're new to crypto, that might freak you out. But if you've been in crypto a long time, these are just healthy corrections along the way. And we can never really see when they're going to be coming, but we can just estimate, guess, and at the same time we can prepare our buying zones. Demand is cyclical in nature. It never only goes up. People sell cryptocurrencies, especially cryptocurrencies that have been running like Shiba Inu coin, and the demand will return again. So all of this sounds like something you're interested in. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? So if you like crypto and multiplying your money exponentially with cryptocurrency, smash up that like button. Welcome to the channel, and every single day I make videos teaching you how to make money with cryptocurrency. So if you like money and you like crypto, click the subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell to be notified every single day when I come out with these new videos. Before we start, I just want to remind you that this video is for entertainment purposes only, and you should always do your own due diligence. And look, if you're brand new to investing or you don't know how to get your hands on some Shiba Inu coin, you can use the link in the description below for Binance. It is super simple to set up your account. Alright, let's talk about this. I read an article by The Motley Fool this morning, and they had a lot of positive things to say about Shiba Inu coin. They said the coin might land its first retailer soon. I'm not sure if you guys have seen all of the news, but AMC Entertainment, during their earnings call, CEO Adam Aron said that they're looking into ways to accept Shiba Inu coin as a form of payment. Now, I'm not sure if they will hold on to Shiba coins long term instead of taking them off the table and converting it back into cash. This means that they would be holding cash on their balance sheet instead of Shiba coins. Okay, I get it. You don't have to be a holder of Shiba Inu, especially a bigger business like that may not want to be susceptible to the volatility of holding these smaller. I was almost gonna say smaller cap crypto, but Shiba Inu coin has been gaining so much popularity and so much market cap lately. It's one of the top 10-11 cryptos that's out there right now. But it's a volatile crypto at that. So to say that MC is bad because they won't hold it, I'm not going to go that far, because I do believe there is volatility that they don't want to attract by holding or supporting the token. I suppose this is one way of using Shiba Inu coins, but I would argue that it's not a significant factor in the grand scheme of things. Let me know down in the comments below right now, would you spend your Shiba Inu coin? I would venture to say that the vast majority will say no right now. You're not going to spend your Shiba Inu coin. And I say right now because Shiba Inu has a very large way to go before it reaches its full potential. There are so much more gains left for Shiba Inu that people are going to be giving something up. Remember that people had always compared Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Either way, I'm not sure that Doge and Shiba are the best comparison for one another. Where Doge is a straight-up meme coin at this point, Shiba is a bit more. They already have a decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap, where you can stake tokens or provide liquidity to earn some passive income on any of the 3 Shiba ecosystem tokens. Then beyond this, she has other projects in the pipeline, which include Shibarium, which is Shiba's very own blockchain. They're currently built on the Ethereum blockchain, which is why the swap is basically a clone of other Ethereum dexes like SushiSwap. They're aiming to launch this blockchain by the end of the year. And then we have SHIB, which would be the Shiba ecosystem, stablecoin, and ShibaNet, which is aiming to be a payment platform that businesses could use to accept Shiba as payment. Now, is Shiba the most functional project in the world? Of course not, but it's undergoing a big transition from pure meme, which does deserve some credit in my book. Now some have said that she was actually an Ethereum competitor. However, that seems like a bit of a stretch, or at least it's many years out before it could potentially be a viable competitor. However, impressively, trading volume for Shiba did briefly pass at the rooms for a 24-hour period, and not by a small amount either. It beat Ethereum by $1.6 billion in daily volume, something previously thought impossible. So the intrinsic value in Shiba Inu right now is the fact that it is a growing asset. If you earn 1 now, it might be worth 10 tomorrow. So to go out there and spend it, you're essentially foregoing that opportunity to grow your investment and Shiba Inu coin. So I don't believe that the utility of cryptocurrencies is limited to just being a currency. I believe that Shiba Inu coins have the potential to grow in the future because of the growth that's possible. I don't think we need to worry about going and spending our Shiba Inu coins right now, especially because I don't think we're going to go out and spend under Shiba Inu coins. I mean, think about it. If you own $1 tomorrow, it's worth less than $1. That's because of inflation. The dollar isn't earning interest. It's not growing. It's just $1. If you own $1 worth of Shiba Inu coins, today you might own $1 worth of Shiba coins. Tomorrow, you could wake up and it could be $10 worth of Shiba Inu coin. That's essentially what you saw in October. 10x gain from like 600-700 points per coin, over 88 points per coin. You had more than $10 if you would have started with $1. Now, it does have its positives. Now, if there's a lot of acceptance from big companies like Ant Entertainment and others to accept the coin, it grows in popularity and utility. So maybe more people want to have and get their hands on some Shiba Inu. There are the positives. But I don't think we are at that point yet where people are actually going to spend Shiba Inu. So it's just something to think about. The Shiba Inu is doing better lately, but there's still a lot of catching up to do with the rest of the coins that are out there. The whole point of this article is that Shiba Inu coin is good but has a long way to go before it can be successful like some other. And we're experiencing a pullback right now because investors realize this and so on and so forth. We're experiencing a pullback right now because of the ridiculous growth we had over October. It has cooled off a little bit. The FOMO buyers that jumped in and bought during all of October, they're calming down a little bit. It's like a little kid that's running around the room. You put them in timeout for 5 minutes, and then he's calm again. It's exactly what we're experiencing with Shiba Inu coin. The FOMO is just calming down in everybody. Once they understand that Shiba Inu coin can maintain these levels, 4000, 5000, 6000 points per coin, whatever it ends up being, that proves to be a cheap price point for Shiba Inu coin. Because remember, there's some people that still expect Shiba Inu coin to drop back down to 500-600 points where it was 2 months ago. There are also people who are expecting it to be worth just a penny tomorrow. So there's this mindset of where is it cheap? Where is it expensive? And when the market starts to view Shiba Inu coin as cheap again, they will absolutely start piling in. They'll buy it and then the price will soar. And you guys know what that does. It causes that cyclical nature, and it's just this endless cycle of people buying, driving the price, people buying, people driving the price, people getting excited because the price is being driven up by, and so on. And then we've got these just massive gains that we can see in Shiba Inu coin. So again, I want to know what you think down in the comments below. Kind of just summarize your thoughts on the utility of Shiba Inu coin. Not staking, not all that, but using it as a currency. Would you plain and simple spend your Shiba Inu coin right now? Or are you holding it for the long term? I think that's going to answer and clear up a lot of questions out there about whether or not we need retailers to accept it. I mean, hey, just the fact that we can use it somewhere we can buy it, that's what we need. We need more eyes on Shiba Inu coin. So let us know down there. That button still read, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us. We're here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. We will link Binance in the description below, and then until the next time, we'll see each and every one of you have an awesome day.